Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make King Kong action figure from Godzilla Vs Kong. So this action figure is made of paper. So the papers is required is black color paper. Brown color it's not really required. If you don't have brown color, you can take brown sketch pen and then black marker. Then you need a red sketch pen, pink and orange. That's it. So first you will need to do a 4 centimeter tubes. Like this you have to do 8 tubes. You can see here 4 centimeter of 8 tubes here. So I'll show you. These are the hands here. These two connect to be the hand and these two connect to be another hand and these two connect to be the legs. And the down part of the legs are these things which help the action figure to stand. Then we have the body here with brown color and muscles. That's why you have to require brown color for this, or you can try it with sketch pen. After that we have the head here. This is 10 centimeter and you can just roll it in a big tube. And then we have 4.5 centimeter head. Here it is orange color, here pink color and here red color. So and this is a design of Godzilla action figure. You can see. So now we are going to fit everything. I'm going to fit everything and show you. Just remove everything from here. For this you will require tape. So I'll just keep the tape here and take 2 hands. These 2 hands going to fit. Take 1 stripe of tape. After you do the tubes, keep 1 hand here. Keep the tape. Keep the other hand and fold it. Done. So one is done. I will take the other 2 tubes, these 2, and then stick the tape. 1 here and 1 here. Now take these 2 tape. You can also see my Godzilla action figure, which I made it with paper. For legs also you have to do the same thing. Just need to stick everything like this. So now we are done with these 2 legs here and these 2 hands here. Now we'll do the connection of body and the hands. So the legs will keep it aside and we'll take the big body here. Take 1 stripe of tape. Take 1 hand here. Keep the body. Keep it here. And then I have marked here for the Kong action figure. So I'll just keep the tape in the markings. So you have to tape it like this. These 2 you just need to tape it. And this hand is ready. We can move it upward and this can bend like this. Those are the elbows. Now do the same thing for the next hand. Take the next hand. Keep it here. So done. And then keep this here. Like put this inside and we are done. Now we'll do the connection for body and the legs. For this you will require body and these two legs. For the hands we have done it downside, but for the legs you have to do it upside. Only then it can move. The body sticks here and the leg moves upward. So we'll just stick it. So we can stick it like this. And then you just need to press it little. Do the same thing for the next one. Just need to put the tape here and then put it in here like this. So now we are done with the headless King Kong action figure here. Now only thing left is the head. After then we are done with the action figure. Now we'll do the head. I'll just keep it here, and this is the head here. Okay, I'll just put it in. Just tape the head here and then put it inside like this. It can nod, but I don't want it nodding it, so I'll just put it like this. And close the head. So there we are done with the King Kong action figure. Now I'll show you all the review. The legs are bendable upward like this. Like this, you can see, and then hands like this, and the head is not bendable, only a little down. You can also check out my Godzilla action figure. Here I'll just make it stand like this. This is the King Kong and this is the Godzilla. Godzilla falls off. So these two are the characters from the Godzilla vs Kong. Sorry. Even my brother had made an action figure of King Kong. He just wanted one like mine. He made it himself. And this is mine. Here action King Kong, and this is a Godzilla with wagging tail. He can wag his tail like this. So thank you friends for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel.